What if I told you there's a habit that costs less than a cup of coffee, takes less than an hour per day, requires no special talent, and has the potential to improve both your bank account and your health at the same time? Sounds too good to be true, right? But some of the most powerful changes in life don't come from massive actions. They come from small habits repeated consistently. And today, I'm going to show you one simple 100 rupees daily habit that could make you richer, healthier, and more disciplined over time. Welcome to Learnova, where we help you build a healthier body, a stronger bank account, and a better life. Let's begin with a question. Why do most people struggle to improve their lives? It's not because they lack intelligence. It's not because they don't have goals. And it's not because they don't know what to do. Most people struggle because they underestimate the power of small actions. We live in a world obsessed with big results. Lose 10 kilos, make 1,000,000 rupees, build a successful business, transform your life in 30 days. But the truth is much simpler. Big results usually come from small habits repeated over long periods of time. Think about brushing your teeth. One day of brushing doesn't change much, but years of brushing protect your dental health. The same principle applies to wealth and health. Tiny actions become powerful when repeated consistently. And that's where today's habit comes in. Imagine doing two simple things every day. First, walking for 30 minutes. Second, investing 100 rupees. That's it. Nothing complicated. No expensive courses, no extreme diets, no risky investments, just walking and investing 100 rupees. At first glance, it sounds insignificant. But let's look closer. We'll start with the money. Many people believe investing requires large amounts of cash. That's one of the biggest financial myths. Because wealth isn't built by how much you invest once. It's built by how consistently you invest. Let's do some math. 100 rupees per day equals 3,000 rupees per month. That's 36,500 rupees per year. Now imagine investing that money consistently into a diversified investment vehicle for many years. Thanks to compound growth, those small contributions can grow into surprisingly large amounts over time. The key isn't the 100 rupees. The key is the habit, because habits create consistency, and consistency creates results. Most people wait until they have more money. They tell themselves, I'll start investing when I earn more. But here's the problem. If someone can't consistently invest 100 rupees, they're unlikely to consistently invest 1,000 rupees. Because the challenge isn't money. The challenge is behavior. Successful investors don't simply have more money. They often have better habits, and habits are built one day at a time. Now let's talk about the second half of this habit. Walking. Walking might be the most underrated health activity in the world. It doesn't require a gym membership. It doesn't require expensive equipment. It doesn't require athletic ability. Almost anyone can do it. And yet many people underestimate its benefits. Research consistently shows that regular walking can improve cardiovascular health, support weight management, reduce stress, increase energy levels, and improve overall well-being. But walking provides something even more valuable: clarity. Have you ever noticed how your mind feels different after a walk? Problems seem smaller. Ideas appear more easily. Stress feels lighter. That's because movement changes how we think. Many successful entrepreneurs, creators, and thinkers regularly use walking as a tool for reflection and problem solving. And unlike many health trends, walking is sustainable. You don't need motivation every day. You simply need consistency. Now here's where things get interesting. What happens when you combine these two habits, walking and investing? Suddenly you're improving both your future health and your future finances at the same time. Every day becomes a small vote for the person you want to become: a healthier person, a wealthier person, a more disciplined person. And discipline is one of the most valuable skills anyone can develop, because discipline transfers. Someone who consistently invests 100 rupees often becomes more mindful about spending. Someone who consistently walks often becomes more mindful about eating. One positive habit creates another, then another, then another. This is known as the compound effect. Small actions compound just like money compounds. Imagine two people. Person A spends 100 rupees every day on impulse purchases. snacks, soft drinks, random online purchases. By the end of the year, the money is gone. Person B invests 100 rupees and walks for 30 minutes daily. At first, the difference seems invisible. After 1 week, nothing dramatic happens. After 1 month, still not much. But after 1 year, the gap becomes noticeable. After 5 years, the gap becomes significant. After 10 years, they may be living completely different lives. Not because one person was smarter, but because one person developed better daily habits. That's the real secret behind many successful people. They don't rely on motivation, they rely on systems. And a 100 rupees daily habit is a simple system. It's small enough to start immediately, yet powerful enough to create meaningful change. Now, let's address a common objection. What if I don't have 100 rupees per day? That's okay. Start with 50 rupees. Start with 20 rupees. Start with whatever amount is realistic, because the amount matters less than the consistency. The goal isn't proving how much money you have. The goal is proving that you can keep a promise to yourself. The same applies to walking. Can't walk for 30 minutes? Walk for 10. Can't do 10? Start with 5. Progress beats perfection every time. Remember, success rarely comes from dramatic transformations. It usually comes from small actions repeated long enough for the results to become visible. And that's why this habit works. It's simple, it's affordable, it's sustainable, and it improves two of the most important areas of life simultaneously: your health and your wealth. Most people spend years searching for a secret formula, but often the answer is surprisingly simple. Invest a little. Move a little. Repeat daily. The results won't appear overnight, but they will appear. And that's what makes this habit so powerful. Quick question. If you received an extra 100 rupees every day, what would you do with it? Spend it, save it, invest it? Let me know in the comments below. The future version of you is being created by the habits you practice today. Not next month, not next year, today. So here's your challenge. For the next 7 days, walk for 30 minutes and set aside 100 rupees every day. Track how you feel, track your progress, and see what happens. If you found this video valuable, subscribe to Learnova. Every week, we share practical ideas to help you improve your health, grow your wealth, and design a better life. Remember, learn deeper, live smarter. This is Learnova, and I'll see you in the next video.